Hey everybody, Tommy Crooked River Forge here. Starting off driving this morning up to Cleveland. The spring make, second annual, is about to get underway here this morning. I think actually some of the pre-blacksmithing classes started around 9 o'clock. So I figured it'd be a good opportunity to head up to town, take care of a couple of odds and ends that I need to address. And then gonna go visit some people. Gonna stop over and see my man Aaron at his new space, 3 Barn Doors. And then I want to stop over and see Alex at Lane 17. They got a new facility doing some great things. So I definitely want to check out those 2 places and head over to Tank Manufacturing for a couple of the classes that are going on today, drop off some tools and whatnot. But looking forward to an awesome event. I'll try to do some filming while I'm there and post that for you here once the weekend's over. So hope you enjoy. And that's about all I got right now. All right, later. What up, brother? What up?
Not quite there yet, but that part was there. I filled that one down.
All right, we're good. Hey everybody, day 2 spring make. I didn't get too much done on Saturday with shooting. It was pretty swamped, so I just thought I'd take a second here and give a shout out. This is kind of like the big working woodworking area over here. Food, conferences up there. It's been an awesome weekend so far. All this cool Lincoln equipment. The maker table. Jamie Belkin, an assistant. Lisa. Thanks for everything.
It's been a blast.
So I'll try to piece as much of this weekend that we have left into the video here. And spring make 2019, it's on. So I'm here with Rob, Beaumont Industries, maker of the KMT grinding system. Look at these guys over here. Getting their grind on. Thanks again, man. A stellar guy right here. Quality, made in America, made in Ohio. Bam! Oh yeah.
Two pictures.
We gotta,
on
we
that.
gotta get a picture.
All right.
In a quarter mile.
I am a little speechless at the moment, but my GoPro is about to die. What an incredible freaking weekend. I am just rolling out of the spring make and heading back to West Virginia. Amazing freaking people, amazing classes. Kudos to everybody that hung around and built a knife with me this weekend. I think we ended up with about 10, maybe 15 blades that we put out. And I mean, for the time restraints that we had to get things done, and people never using the equipment that they use today and yesterday, it was phenomenal what these guys put out, and I couldn't be prouder of all of them. So thanks again, Lincoln Electric, all the sponsors, Beaumont Industries. I couldn't have done this entire event without you guys, man. Rob, you hooked me up when I wasn't able to teach. He was jumping in there. Turns out Rob's a pretty good knife maker himself. So it was a win-win for me this weekend, and I'll be posting this video with some little clips here soon. You already know that because you're watching it. So this is where I get weird with my content stuff. I gotta learn how to talk about stuff that's happening as it's happening and not happening, you know, how all that goes. So like I said, thanks to everybody. I appreciate it. And I'm gonna get off here so I can get out of downtown Cleveland and not crash. All right, peace out.